Alright, so welcome back to another sound test, and we now have the ZAX versus your most requested IEM to compare it with the CA16. So both are 16 driver systems and also hybrid in configuration. So on the ear, they're still in the same family of sound, but of course they have their differences. And of course, big thanks also to Lock LZ for sending this over. Use my links down below, it will help out the channel a lot. So let's start the sound test now.
Make time for your feelings, but you have to admit I already do. Let's just break it down to you and me uptown, dancing all around till the disco ball pops. But I have to be me, and everyone can see your anger is misplaced.